ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आइए दोस्तों करते हैं सेकंड क्वेश्चन ऑफ प्रैक्टिस सेट 2.5. Second question is find the value of discriminant. So what is the value of discriminant? That is b square minus 4ac. You have to calculate the value of discriminant b square minus 4ac. You have to calculate. This is the value of discriminant. Now first equation, that is first quadratic equation, that is x square plus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0. X square minus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0. So how will find the value of discriminant? For that we need the value of a, b and c. So therefore we are going to compare this quadratic equation by general form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here you will get a is the coefficient of x square. Here coefficient of x square is 1. B is the coefficient of x, which is equal to minus 7, and c is the constant, which is minus 1. Now we'll find the value of b square minus 4ac, which is called discriminant. So b square means what? Minus 7 square minus 4. What is a? A is 1. And what is c? C is also minus 1. So this will be 49. Minus 7 square is plus 49. Because of this minus becomes plus. 4 ones are 4. So 49 plus 4 is 53. So value of discriminant is 53. Now we will solve second one. So second equation is what? Second equation is 2y square minus 5y, and this is what? Plus 10 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation, 2y square minus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0. Now we will compare with standard form, that is by ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here you will get a is coefficient of y square, which is 2. B is the coefficient of y, which is minus 5, and c is the constant, which is plus 10. Now we will find the value of discriminant b square minus 4ac. So which is equal to b square means what? Minus 5 square minus 4. What is a? A is 2, and what is c? C is 10. So just simplify. This will be 25 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 10s are 80, which is equal to minus 55. So this is the value of discriminant. Okay. Now we will solve third one. Third one is root 2x square plus 4x plus 2 root 2 is equal to 0. Again we will compare this quadratic equation with general form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And here you will get a is equal to root 2, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 2 root 2. Now we will find the value of b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac, this is equal to b square means 4 square minus 4. What is a? Root 2. And what is c? 2 root 2. Okay. So this will be what? 16 minus 4 2s are 8, multiply by root 2 multiply by root 2. So root 2 multiply by root 2 is 2. So you will write 16 multiply by 2, and which is equal to 16. This is what? 16 minus 8. Root 2 multiplied by root 2 is 2. So you will get 16 minus 16, which is equal to 0. So value of discriminant in the third equation is 0. Okay students, so इस प्रकार से करना था आपको second question of practice set 2.5.